What's up, everybody? Welcome to the Best of Hackingtons, episode 182. Let's look at the coolest projects that you guys have been building this week. First up, we have this incredible game shop by James Hawes. Now, I will say there are some improvements that he could make to this, but it is so big, I had to give it a shout out. Every single one of these links work. Wait, every link works? Every link goes somewhere? Crazy, wacky games? Yeah, that works. What about this link right here? Click here to learn more. Let's buy it. It works. And it goes to a new, okay, what about this one? There's a link that just gives you money. This is so cool, James. The amount of work that you put into this is very, very apparent and very clear. This is awesome. Let's see if I can go to the Nintendo Switch. Oh, this is awesome. This is so cool. Excellent work, James. I can tell that you love video games, and keep that love alive, and make sure you check out our streams on Fridays where we play video games. All right, into the next one. Next up, we have Blake's Maze game. Now, this is really cool because, first off, look at the texture and the material that's on that marble. That looks so good. And I love the level design here. It's not a typical maze. Blake did take some time to actually think about what a maze is. A maze is a trap that you want to get to the outside world. And the cube has, it looks like the Windows XP, no, I didn't make it. What? What is this? Wait, what is that in the background? What is moving over there? This game is incredible. Check out level 3. If you can beat level 3, I will be amazed, but awesome job, Blake. All right, so this is Ethan G1's work in progress. This is a Minecraft style game with ridiculous rigid body physics or ragdoll physics and just Rick rolls everywhere. So R to redo. Let's see if I can actually get past the first wall. So it's click and hold to move, and all of your weight is on the pickaxe. And if it touches any of the sides other than the blocks, you lose, like that. And there's what was that? This is Ethan. I'm not gonna spoil any more of this game. Go play this game on the showcase. It's so good. And that's it for the Best of Hackingtons. Go out there and build amazing stuff.